Hi, my name is Sal Pierre, and I'd like to welcome you to the playground. Today, I'm joined with my co-host and co-founder,
Athey, hello.
and we're going to take you through the playground.
And if you look below, you'll see our skill card section. We have two types of cards here. We have our text cards, which are in blue, and we have our image cards, which are in purple. And note if you hover over one of them, you'll get a handy tooltip that gives you information on what each of these skills do and how to use it. So I'm going to show you our premier one, the article writer. Now, when you load the skills, it's very important you look to the right and you notice our how to use section. This is not a chatbot where you tell it what you want to do. Instead, you follow certain formats to get the best possible results from it. And articles are pretty easy. In this case, we really just want to pick a nice headline, something like how to look stylish while sleeping. But then one other thing I want you to see in that box too is see the video tutorial link down there? We also have video tutorials from many of our most popular skills that will show you us walking right through these. Highly recommended. So we're going to go ahead and generate off of this. And you're going to wait for an eternal few seconds here while the AI fiercely processes it for you. And then when it's done, you get the output screen here. Now you might see at the top, we have 3 output tabs, 1, 2, and 3. This is only for paid plans, but if you're a new sign up, don't worry, we've got you. For a limited time, everyone gets 3 for 1. So you can click on any of these tabs that you want and go through and skim and find the one you like best. Now some things that can help you. If you look at the bottom, we have our stats. We have the word count on the far left. Then we have the Flesch Kincaid reading ease and grade level, which can help you decide what level of audience's content is suitable for. You can choose to start over, reprocess the skill, and you can click on the audio button and have our AI read it to you. And nice thing about this too is when you get it, you can actually just download the audio directly. You can embed in podcasts. If you have a blog, you could use it as accessory to your blog post. You can see the download option there. So other option you've got there too, you can choose expand, which is you ask our AI to take all the content you've got there and add the same number of words to it. So try to go from like a 500 word article to 1,000. And when you're happy, you can click on finalize and go over to our editor. Now in our editor screen, got a couple things going on. First, you see your text in that window there. You have all the usual word processing tools. You can use it to format it for a blog post, for a Word document. If you scroll down a little bit, you will notice then too that we have the ability to give you royalty-free images based on whatever your content is. And you can see we got 3 here, but if you don't like those 3, well, click the refresh button. There's 3 more. And if you want to search your own, you can go down here and type in whatever you think would be a fun one. Like Sal always teases me because I always choose penguins with my test. So he's going to give you penguins here. Oh, what cute penguins. So you can either choose to download those, or if you want to get a whole pack, scrolling up to the top there, and I'll show you something in our menu bar. See that download button? Hit download, it will give you a zip file with your content in 3 different formats, along with the images, along with the audio too. So you see you get one big pack that you can use for whatever. You also have the option inside the editor to save any edits you make. You can run a plagiarism check on it. And if you want to hear the audio again, top right corner, or if you want to generate it fresh, you've got it up there. And the last thing I want to call your attention to, you can see the editor there, where we run a tool very, very much like Grammarly that goes through and makes suggestions. It can improve the AI content, or it can improve your own content if you want to put some edits in there.
That's pretty much it for our quick Satellite Writer playground tutorial. Just one last thing, on the top right corner, you'll see the amount of credits you have left, and also the buy credits page. The buy credits page has single one-off purchases. So if you just run out of credits and you just want a few more to try, or save big with our subscription plans, 3 for 1, AI settings, and much, much more. Thank you again for joining us on this short tutorial, and we'll see you on the next one.